So I'm back again with my products. This time I'd be doing a video with the products I intend to use on my journey. Listen, please don't pay those roosters in my background any mind because they just make noise all the time. Let's see, where do I begin? Let me start with my cleansers. I think I start with shampoos. I have the shampoos. So this right here, Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Shampoo. Alright, for this, I've had this since I started going natural, and if you notice, it's still almost full because I don't really shampoo my hair a lot, probably like once every 2 weeks, or I don't know, whenever I feel like it needs a shampoo. But I know that there are a whole lot of good reviews on this shampoo on YouTube. However, I'm sad to say this does not work with my hair. I have coarse 4C hair, and for some reason I love the scent of this, but it just does not work with my hair. I don't know, to be honest, when I use this, my hair just feels dried. Like I don't really have any moisture left in it. So for this, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this back. I'll use it like once a while when I just want the scent of it. But yeah, but for others it works. You know, they say that not what works for you works for me, but this has great reviews from others, but I'm sad to say that I can't really say it worked for me. I don't know if anybody else has that problem. So I got myself a new shampoo. I went to the store yesterday and I asked them what could actually restore the moisture in my hair. So they gave me Eden Body Works Coconut Shea Shampoo. Restores moisture, sulfate free and paraben free. They said that this would work. This is it. I'm gonna try this out. Some of these products that are right here I have not tried out yet because I just bought them yesterday, and I said let me just show you guys what I'm planning to use on my hair to get it to what I want it to. So yeah, this is you guys just being on my journey with me from scratch. Conditioners now. Let's see. I have the Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner. I use this. I really love the scent. Yeah, it smells good. It's nice. I don't really have a problem with it. For this, the Triple Nutrition Fruit Discardner. To be honest, I only bought it because it smells so good. I like when my hair smells good. So yeah. And also my VO5 moisturizing conditioner. This, I love the scent of it. I just buy things sometimes just for the scent. But yeah, I'm gonna try this out. So the ones that I have never tried before are the Tresemme Naturals. I've always wanted to get myself one of these, but I never got around to it. So this time I'm gonna use this mostly. Mostly. So yeah, this is Tresemme Naturals silicone free conditioner. So yeah, Tresemme Naturals, a lot of persons use this, so I'm giving this a try because to be honest, my hair really needs the moisture. I also went around and got myself the Giovanni direct leave-in conditioner. It's just funny because yesterday I was in the store and I was like, are you sure this is the direct leave-in? I don't see it on there. And then look at that. Now that I'm doing this tutorial, I see direct leave-in right there. It's funny. But yeah, a lot of persons praise Giovanni direct leave-in. So, yep. Mama, I'm trying this one out. Co-wash. Co-wash. Bam. I wanted to get the As I Am also, but I could not get it anywhere. It's so hard getting products sometimes in Jamaica like that. So yeah, I'm using this, the Eden Body Works All Natural Cleansing Co-Wash with coconut shea. So this is a whole lot of coconut in my hair. So yeah, this is what I'll be using as my co-wash. Deep conditioning, yeah. For my deep conditioner, I just love this. This is deep treatment mask. Oh my god, Let me see how far it is. I don't really use my products that harsh. But yeah, I got this since I've been natural 8 months now. So yeah, I love this. I'm continuing with this for my deep treatment mask, for when I'm deep conditioning my hair or whatever. Yeah, this musket, I have no doubts about that. I also have for my leave-in conditioner my Cantu Argan Oil. This is really good. I even used this in my hair when I was relaxing, and it was good. And now it's even better now that I'm natural. I love this. Yeah, I love this. As soon as it finishes, I'm gonna buy it back. Let's see. My curl enhancing smoothie. Like this, a little goes a very long way, because look at that. I use this a lot. And it's still not done yet. You're right there. Another must buy. But this, kinky curly, not today. I wanted to try this so bad. Like, it ain't even funny. Like, roosters, can you stop the noise? Like, yeah, it ain't even funny how bad I wanted to try this. Like, girls, I really wanted to try this, but you know, I never got around to it. But this time around, bam, I'm gonna try you. Like, everybody, I've never heard anybody say anything bad about this product, you know. So I hope it does to me what it does to them, you know, because I so wanted to try this. I wanted to get the curly custard, but that's a little bit pricey, and I kind of ran out of money. Jesus, peace. The rooster, man. But yeah, I kind of ran out of money, but I'm gonna go back for it to use it together with this. But this, oh my god, everybody has good reviews. Even Naturally Fellow, she has great reviews on. Girl, I hope you do to me what you done to everybody else, because I got faith in this, you know. I got faith. I hope it does. So yeah, what else? Stylers, for this, sorry for the messy bottle, but for this, I don't know if you guys can see. This is my Pantene Truly Natural Defining Curl Styling Custard. I use this a lot. Yeah, I use this a lot, and I'm still gonna use this, believe me. My gel, my GEL gel, Eco Styler. So yeah, this is my gel, my favorite. So yeah, this right here, Eco Styler. I had this one, and I had the white one, but the white one is finished. And I have this one. This is almost finished. Let's see now. Oils. Don't mind this olive oil, but yeah, this is my extra virgin olive oil. After this finishes, I'll buy the bigger bottle. But yeah, my olive oil. I love you. My black castor oil, my Jamaican black castor oil. This right here is the real MVP. Can I tell you, this right here, wanna know why my hair grew so the last time? Is that and this. I love putting this on my scalp. It's Jamaican Strong Roots Red Pimento Air Growth Oil. Damn, it's almost done. I gotta get some more. But yeah, this, it has black castor oil in it, but I still use both of them because I just love this. It has a strong scent, but this right, I always, like, when I was putting in my crochet braids the first time, I always put it on my scalp, and it just made my scalp feel real nice. And it's minty and it's nice. So I'm trying 2 other oils, right? I didn't use much oil in my hair the last time, so this time around I'm playing with my oils. So this hair I got is Grape Seed Oil. I don't know how much this works because I've never used it before. This is gonna be my first time using it. So I'm gonna do an oil mix, put it in a little container. And this is my sweet almond oil. I got these for free. These packets, this is what all natural leave-in conditioner from Eden Body Works. So yeah, she said that because I told her about my moisture problem, so she said to use this. And she also gave me a Eden Body Works peppermint tea tree. Well, it's a leave-in lotion also. So yeah, I'm gonna try these. They were free, so I have to take them. I was like, thank you, girl, thank you. I've never tried this before. I saw it there and I was like, hair fertilizer. I've never really seen any reviews about it either. I don't know if you guys know anything about this, if I should not use this in my hair or what, please let me know. But I bought this to try it. Yeah, it's the Roots Naturale virgin hair fertilizer conditioning treatment, protein, vitamins, olive oil, stop breakage and dry itchy scalp, help promote rapid hair growth and results in 2 weeks. I told them I'm gonna try this, but if it don't work in 2 weeks, I'm bringing it back. Yeah. You can't do that in Jamaica, so if it doesn't work, it just doesn't work. But yeah, voila. Apple cider vinegar. My apple cider vinegar, I have it. I actually have I have some of it in a spray bottle with some water. So in my hair, when I don't want to shampoo, actually, I just spray this on my scalp with some water. And yeah, this right here, it makes my hair feel so nice and clean. But yeah, I love my apple cider. Good reviews about it on YouTube too. I actually bought it to mix with my bentonite clay. To be honest, I was reading a blog the other day and they mentioned it first, and then when I came on YouTube I saw Lovely Anika talking about it, so I said, well, this is a must buy. They said mix it with a little bit of apple cider vinegar and some water, and it cleansed the hair, removes impurities and so, you know. And I can also use it on my face, which I really need, so I'm gonna make it as mask for my face also and see if it works. I pray to God it does work, because my face is just Last but not least, my raw shea butter. Yep, my spray bottle with water. This is my moisturizer since the past few days. Like, I've just been spray, like when my hair feels too dry, spray. As a matter of fact, let's spray some. My hair feels dry, I just got up, so there we go. I also got myself a little treat, you know, hairbands, Sophie hairbands. Yeah, because I just don't like when my hair is just too plain without accessories, so I got myself some hairbands. This is a lot, but I hope I still can find them in the next couple of months. So yeah, my hairbands. How could I forget? How could I forget? Chop. Bam. Vitamins. Hair, skin, and nail gummies with biotin. Gummies. I'm gonna love these more than the pills. So yeah, so that's it, guys. These are the products that I'm working with. I'm not gonna try anything else in my hair. I'm just gonna experiment with these and see if they do me any justice. I'll see you in my next video. And if you did not watch my Big Shop #2 video, you can check it out. So yeah, see you guys, and I'm so sorry for these roosters that have been making so much noise. They are so annoying. But yeah, that's Jamaica. So yeah, see you guys in my next video, and have a wonderful day.